Hi, welcome to this video where we'll explore erythritol, a low-calorie sweetener that's become quite popular in the health food market. Let's take a closer look at what erythritol is, how it's made, and how it compares to sugar in terms of nutrition and health impacts. First, what is erythritol? Erythritol is a sugar alcohol, a sweetener type that's found in some fruits and fermented foods. Erythritol is not sugar. Sugar has many calories and raises blood sugar. Erythritol has almost no calories. It does not affect blood sugar or insulin. Take a look at how we make erythritol. Factories often make it from glucose sourced from starch. Yeast help turn that glucose to erythritol. The process uses natural microbes to transform simple sugars. The end result gives us a sweetener, tasting clean and fresh. So, how does erythritol compare to sugar in terms of calories and health effects? Let's take a closer look. Sugar holds a mighty punch of calories, approximately 16 per teaspoon. Erythritol, however, sweetens without adding calories. A great choice for those minding their calorie intake or managing weight. Sugar leads to dangerous blood sugar spikes. These spikes cause insulin resistance, diabetes, obesity, and serious health problems. Erythritol doesn't spike blood sugar or insulin. It's safe for diabetics and folks who are watching sugar levels. Too many calories and spikes in blood sugar can be harmful. Erythritol avoids the insulin spikes. Unlike other sweeteners, erythritol unlikely to cause bloating or diarrhea. Erythritol gives you a healthful way to make your coffee less bitter. Its sweetness allows yummy snacks with no guilt from calories or carbs. Even so, your gut might complain if you consume gobs of it. Moderation is key. Erythritol is great for satisfying sweet cravings safely. Its benefits, of course. A natural low-calorie sweetener and low glycemic impact, which means stable blood sugar. Plus, it doesn't cause tooth decay. Let's consider adding erythritol to your diet. Your taste buds and body will be happy. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights into healthy living. Until next time, take care and sweeten responsibly.